What's going on YouTube? So I wanted to show you a new product that we got in from Hansshow, and sadly on my vehicle I have an Alcantara headliner, so it's a different shade and different type of material for this headliner. It matches the OEM headliner perfectly, but in my case it doesn't match accordingly. So I wanted to show you the installation of this new retractable electric headliner from Hansshow, which is a fantastic product. As we're watching along to this video, you can see how this installer has the back seats down, as well as he's talking about removing some of the panels on the left side of the vehicle, in the rear. Kid show. Well, in any case, on this side, we're gonna go ahead and pull up the weather stripping just a little bit. I don't suggest pulling it up as far as he's doing because it is a little goopy underneath that. It's very sticky material. If you just maneuver up a little bit, you can get your finger far enough in there where you could pry away at the needed panels. His panels are gonna look a little different because it looks like they have a different type of retractable cargo cover panels that are in there, and they don't use those anymore in the US, so that should be good to go. So in any case, he's removing the entirety of the weather stripping. I say just to move it out the way a little bit and go ahead and pry that panel off as you see accordingly. Once we have that panel pried back a little bit, you can get back there and get to the cigarette lighter. What we're gonna do is grab the cigarette lighter wire and jump off that with the provided jumper, and then we're gonna go ahead and maneuver the wire up into the headliner and out the front. So here's how we do it. Here's the headliner itself. There's the jumper. You're gonna fold down the rear seats as you saw the installation do it at the beginning. You and your friend are gonna go ahead and put the headliner in the back, with the back obviously towards the back and the front towards the front. Pull out the sill strip, as they call it, and insert the cable. Again, don't pull it out, just maneuver it a little bit out the way. Go ahead and unplug that cigarette lighter, quote unquote, and jump off of it with the inline fuse jumper cable that Handshow's provided you. Easy as that. Next, we're gonna go ahead and tuck that wire away. As you can see, you still have the power wire that needs to be run. So what we're gonna do is fish that up into the headliner accordingly, as seen. Next, you're gonna take a fishing wire. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the sill strip as stated, extend that fishing line in there, pull down from the front as seen, and then we're gonna go ahead and hook the wire up to the fishing wire. A little bit of electrical tape does the trick. He's making sure it does not get caught up in there. I don't need to use that much, but hey, it works. We're gonna go ahead and fish through a little bit. I say be a little careful up here because you don't want to crack that window. That would suck. Not sure that would be under warranty, so be careful over there. Next, you and your friend are gonna go ahead and put the headliner up accordingly. Go ahead and fish the wire over from the headliner, connect it to the connection we just ran. You're gonna go ahead and see the clips, and they're gonna go accordingly under the OEM headliner. So go ahead and fish the now connected wire back into the headliner. Very easy to do. Next, line up the clips that keep the new retractable headliner in place, and then put the holder into the gap as stated, as they're showing on the front of the new headliner. We're going to go ahead and put that headliner up, line up the screw holes, and go ahead and screw them into the front. Very easy to do. Extremely easy to do if you have a friend with you as well. Once that is all set and done, you're going to go ahead and put some of the double-sided tape along this, along the sill of it. And you're pretty much good to go. Everything is in place. We're going to go ahead and test it out a little bit, as you can see here. Looking really good. It can go back in front from either the back seat or the front seat, which is really cool. Awesome unit from Hansshow. Please go ahead over to Handshow's website, link in the description, use code JTheDev and save a ton of money off not only this, but everything in your cart. Great product from Hansshow.